In today's video, we're gonna show you our new listing, but we're also gonna go to Makaha to try and find Mahi's voice.
Oh, very cute.
We're actually gonna go to Makaha for a listing appointment. We stumbled across a local delicacy.
Hawaiian gold.
We're gonna foreshadow a listing that is to come soon. Show you this one, talk real estate a little. Bingo bango, let's go. So what we have here is an altercation. See, if you go to coreteamhawaii.com, you can place your bets. We received a call from someone from our YouTube channel, one of our fans, shout out to Chris. They're gonna be selling their unit here in Makaha Valley Plantation. Wanted us to come out, take a look at it, make paint recommendations, start the listing process. This is the, was it you? You said the Peacock place.
The Peacock place. Yeah, everybody knows. You drive in and you hear them screaming already.
Yeah. When we were driving in, Mahi goes, that's a rooster, not a peacock. But when we were driving in, Mahi goes, excuse me.
Wait, was that an actual peacock that made that noise?
That was a peacock.
I thought that was Kenji's phone. I'm not joking. I thought that was your phone. I thought that was your text tone.
What would imply that Kenji would have that text?
I mean, sometime he fancy.
On the actual real estate side, if you're selling here, you want to disclose that there are bird noises. You have a buyer from the mainland, a buyer's agent who isn't as thorough or forthcoming. You as the seller want to have said that there are these noises, both roosters, chickens, and peacocks.
It is what it is. You live in Ewa Beach, you talk about airplane noise. You live in Makaha Valley Plantation, you talk about peacocks. Oh yeah.
How many you guys gonna grab?
I mean, it's just me at home, so probably like 6.
It's just me at home, so 20.
I want them to be like
3.
Rape and half rape. Can pick our own.
Yes.
Okay.
See, me, I don't mind who pick mine, but she picky.
No, I want to be able to eat them at different stages on different days. Can I get all ripe and then boom, you have one day to eat 10 mangoes?
Hey, you squeeze them that hard, you gotta buy them.
Well, I want to. Oh, you saw my bicep.
But you giving blood. You donating blood or no? Phlebotomist.
These are Hayden mangoes.
Heck yeah.
Hayden mangoes.
I like Hayden, and then get this one on Molokai. I get plenty pulelehua, I think it's called. And they're rounder. Super sweet, but they're like very different.
If I trust on round mango. Right there, that's me.
You put another one if you want.
Normally it wouldn't matter, but she don't like her mangoes mixed with other people's mangoes.
Not other people, just you.
I would actually agree with that. If anyone picks the wrong mangoes, it would be me. Right on, thank you guys.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
Where you get the best mangoes in Hawaii?
Makaha.
One of the perks of going to coreteamhawaii.com, buying our new listing that's coming up.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Oh, now with the mountains in the background and the car.
We get in the car, head for Ewa Beach, and immediately get into a heated conversation about the proper way to cut a mango. There's only one way to solve this, so we decided to stop at Ross and get what we need to settle this.
That's what major cutting board.
Guys, I thought we was going pipe board.
Committed to the bit.
So now we're both gonna cut a mango. You leave us a comment, say which one is better.
Not even which one is better, like what do you do? All right guys, so we just got back from Makaha. We checked out Makaha Valley Plantation. Listing coming soon.
In Makaha Valley Plantation, the best units are the 3rd floor. Some of them have amazing ocean views.
This one does.
This one has all of that.
This one does.
This person really took pride in this. They're gonna be freshening it up, new paint. It's gonna be probably the best listing in Makaha Valley Plantation in a long time. Pro tip, when you're buying real estate, if there's a view to be had, buy for the view, because you can upgrade the cabinet.
That's right.
You can change the floor. You can do all of those things, but you can't upgrade the view.
Yeah.
And this one has the view.
So stay posted because we're going to be able to share that with you guys soon.
Now, we're going to show you our new listing in Ho'opili. These clients, this is a newer home. It's better than new. There's extended driveway, extended lanai, water filtration and softening, owned solar panels.
They completely fenced in the whole property. They extended the back lanai so that you guys can barbecue outside.
So real quick, actually, when you move into these neighborhoods, all this is dirt. Like these homes don't even have grass. There's little sprigs, and then this might not seem like a big thing.
When you live Hawaii and you get red dirt, this is a big thing.
Park in the driveway because you got your home gym in the garage. Park in the driveway, get out. You don't have to step in dirt.
Yeah.
Solar panels, especially in Ewa, a must. Batteries. When you move into these homes, you have tens of thousands of dollars of upgrades to do. It's already been done here.
It's already been done. And when you buy new, and this is only from 2023, this house is pretty new. It's like new. But when you're buying new from the developer, you don't get to select those upgrades, so you don't get to wrap that into your financing. Buying something that's been upgraded after they bought new like this gives you that opportunity. So,
but I don't know why we're selling it. We already sold it.
It's already been
We
sold.
just listed this one. It's already in escrow. Multiple offers, very strong offers.
But
And
guys,
you never know.
you never know.
You
But
never know.
also, just because this one is wrapped up, we have another one very similar to this.
We do have another one coming. Go to coreteamhawaii.com.
Hey, if you see this and you're like, dang, we missed out on that one, you didn't. Hit us up on the website.
Yeah.
We have something coming soon. So this is an Ikena 3-bed, 2-bath, single level.
3-bed, 2-bath, 2 living spaces.
2 living
You have
spaces.
1, 2.
The second living space, and this is kind of like the dining area. And then you have another door to go outside. You got a back lanai. When they bought it from the developer, your lanai ended here on this line. So, you know, it's good, nice space, but they went ahead and extended it out. That way you can actually put some patio furniture out here, get a grill going, and actually kind of like make use of that indoor-outdoor lifestyle.
Check this out. Bingo bango. Pickled mango.
Pickle mango.
You no more bugs, Lanita.
Kids, pets.
You know what? I want split AC in my garage.
I would too. There's another 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom model here. This one is the larger one. So this one, your primary bedroom, you got your ensuite here with your dual vanity, but the primary bedroom is larger than the other one. So you actually have kind of this flexible space here. A lot of people use it in this sort of setup with like an office here. Put a little love seat, put an office and a desk. For people, you know, in Hawaii who are doing that multi-generation, no, come. Oh, you better hurry up before you run out of steam. So you can use this 3rd bedroom as your gym.
Oh, what you run out of steam? You see one arm. Oh. Right there.
So 2 extra bedrooms here. Careful, your mic on, you're breathing hot.
You can shower right after you work out.
Like we mentioned, this went into escrow super fast, guys. But if the idea of a single family Ikena Ho'opili home, single level, is appealing to you, we got another one coming up. What's good about this one is not all of the Ikena models have indoor laundry. So some of the models have these in your garage, but in here, indoor. Ooh, the smell. I wish you guys could smell this.
So now we're both gonna cut a mango. You leave us a comment, say which one is better.
Not even which one is better, like what do you do?
First, do you cut mangoes? Have you ever? And if you were to, how would you do it? I gotta throw a disclaimer out.
Oh no, what?
Of the like 2 or 3 potential like right ways, you get the coolest. Like your method you're gonna display is the cooler method.
No, actually, the one that you're doing, when you showed the video of it, I was like, huh, my interest is piqued.
One of the things about living in Hawaii is like cheese season,
Yeah.
mango season.
Yeah.
We may not have seasons such as a Colorado. There's no Yellowstone Park, you know what I mean? But we do have certain things that signify a season and bring some joy. Bigger waves on the South Shore in the summer, North Shore is the winter. Mango season.
When somebody asked me what my favorite season was, I said mango season.
They're expecting autumn and you're like mango
it's like,
season.
mango season. I was like summer then, because that's when mango season is.
Tell me you're local without telling me you're local.
Growing up, we always cut the mango on the bias of the pit. On the bias of the pit.
Wow.
Mango's not like an apple, right? A mango's not round. Mango is thinner one way.
It's
you
mango
know?
shaped.
That's how you can kind of tell like which way the pit is lying, because the pit is this like flat thing, right? So you want to maximize and get as much fruit as you can. So you want to go and like, you kind of got to follow the pit, right? This is giving pit.
Ooh, nice cut.
Close to the pit. You gotta try and match the other side.
You're gonna hit this side, hit reef. Ooh, that was good. That's a good one.
Then you do a little crosshatch. Now this is a little bit more ripe than I usually prefer. I like a half ripe mango myself. We call this the Ninja Turtle. Boop.
Ooh.
And enjoy.
So what about all this though?
This one you just go any kind. And then usually we do this. We go kind of just along the side there. And then we'll do a little like this too. So you can have all cubes if you like that. Actually, my kids normally just know what to do with this already and they whack
Eat
them.
that like watermelon.
Yeah.
You know what? You just gnaw on
Then
this
we
bad
just
boy.
like, yeah. This is just for the chef's enjoyment. Hover over your sink with all the juice dripping down and you just get the pit. I'm very curious to see how Derek's ones works out.
You're not gonna beat that. Not gonna beat that.
Ooh, that one looks soft though.
So cut them in half. Ideally, you have a fat knife. Actually, this knife, yeah, that's not the best knife for this technique, but we make it work. And we're gonna then right there, start grinding
them
them.
out. What?
She's still cutting. I'm eating.
But this is the part where I'm like, okay, but how about how you?
Well, like you said, the pit is not circular.
Yeah.
There's a flat part.
Yeah.
So just like a key, when you turn a key, find the flat part,
Hey,
twist them.
hey, that came out better, that side.
And then you can even, if you like, or you run that into a bowl or something. My house, my sink is right here, so you just.
Yeah. Oh.
Mango slippery. You're a charcuterie board person. I'm a eat person.
I would teach Brooke how to do it this way.
Who wants to go through all that?
A lot of people. You know what the problem is to me? Look at how not bruised and not smushed up things are.
It's nice.
You know how I am about texture. If I was gonna throw this into one smoothie, I don't care.
And when you eat my pit, you end up with like corn strings in your teeth.
Yeah.
That's the disadvantage. You gotta floss.
A or B. A for my, B for there. Which way do you do it? Or are you C? You do something else.
What is C?
I don't know. Oh, you know what? Actually, I know this girl from Molokai and their family is like all mango everything. They get the knife like this. I'm not gonna do them because I don't wanna waste, but they do this. The whole, all the way around. And then they just have one, and she's got it down to such a science that it comes out to just one long spiral.
Well, that's respect. That's what I like about this spoon method too, is you can just get the edges of that sucker. In your life of eating mangoes, you never dig one on a spoon like this?
Literally never.
Not once.
Not even one time. Have you, Kenji? No.
That's like kiwi for me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is how people cut kiwi.
I eat a kiwi like that.